Hi guys, okay, in this tutorial we will learn how to create a room discussion in Classera. So you will find discussion here, click on it, and then there are already many room discussion that I created. So I'm going to create a new, any title that you want, let's say ICT, and then room instruction is totally depend on your discussion, whatever you want to put. I'm just writing, read the instructions carefully. Okay, you can edit this one later on. So click on next button to create, select the classes that you want to put, create a room. See, the room is here. As I told you, you can edit. If you click on edit button, then you can change the room instructions and you can add more classes if you want. So I will not change anything at the moment, but please don't forget to click on save button if you change anything here. So click on discussion, go back, and then go to your same class that you created. Then here we will start the post string. You have to first click on add a post, and then here look at the sign, the attachment sign. If you have anything that you want to share with your student, like any video file, video file, audio file, or word file, means any kind of file, you can just choose, click on choose and go to file and then attach file. Let's say at the moment I'm going to attach this one. Okay, and then don't forget to press send it to the server. Okay, then it will go to Classera server, and then press OK. Then it's ready to post. Okay, just click on add, and here, let me bigger, close this one. Okay, your post is here now. Even you can record your voice. If you have any voice note for the student, just click on this mic button, and then this window will appear. Okay, then click on record. If it's turned red, it means your recording is started. So once you have finished your recording, then click on stop button, and after that play the button. And if you think then your sound is recorded properly, then click on confirm button. Otherwise cancel it. Once you click on confirm button, yeah, then you have to click on add button to post it. So I'm going to cancel it at the moment, and also close this note box. Okay, if you want to create write any message or create a Excel file or anything, so these are all tab, you can use it. So that's it for today. One more thing here, if you want to disapprove or hide any comments of the student, and if you want to approve, if your student comments on it, you can approve and you can disapprove. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.